It's Bus Safety Day here at Katherine Technology Magnet Academy, and our young scholars are learning the importance of staying safe on and around the school bus from Safety Dog and First Student Safety Manager, Trenna.
How can you say something?
But you're not supposed to talk.
So if it's important, that's why we ask everybody to be quiet so you can let the driver know. So if you're talking to your neighbor, you use your inside voice and talk to your neighbor. You're not supposed to talk loud on a bus. You talk quiet on a bus, right? So that's how you let them talk.
I am Trenna Cox, and I'm the safety manager for First Student for our DeSoto location here in DeSoto. Today we are sharing bus safety, riding students along on a bus. So for instance, if they ever had to go on a field trip or if they ride home every day, we're showing them the importance of needing to be quiet and stay in their seats so the driver can safely get them to and from wherever their destination may be. It is super important because unfortunately a car is a vehicle and it may have mechanical issues, and if the driver's needing to inform them, hey, we need to evacuate, or that there's an accident, he needs to be quiet so they can safely proceed through, they need to be able to hear, so they need to know how to properly ride and the safety issues, that how to evacuate if need be, but they need to be able to hear those issues. One important lesson I'd like to take away from this is being patient and listening. Remember to listen. We can't always talk at a level 10. It's important to if you're talking to your neighbor, that you keep it to a minimum so that you can hear the driver, and also in case one of your friends may have a pain or they're hurting, the driver can hear them.